Gonna have to see ID. Hands out your pockets for officer safety. So where you coming from? And what does it make you think that you have freedom?
Turn that off. The both of you? Can you please turn that off? What? You guys have to have permission to videotape on grounds.
What law is that?
Because this is a state facility.
Right. I know what it is. What law is that?
Well, you have to have permission from the designee or warden.
I know you've said that, but what law is that?
Well, I can look it up for you, but you can also look at our book.
Nothing but some bullshit.
News Now, California, out at the California Department of Corrections Malibu fire camp.
Both of you? Can you please turn that off? What? You guys have to have permission to videotape on grounds.
What law is that?
Because this is a state facility.
Right. I know what it is. What law is that?
Well, you have to have permission from the designee or warden.
I know you've said that, but what law is that?
Well, I can look it up for you, but you can also look at our book. But you can come down when it's approved.
Well, we're on a public highway. This isn't your...
Are you getting faces or images of
anything I can see in public? I'm videotaping, which is
Can I get your guys' name and number, please? Or
no, I don't feel like giving my name.
Where's your car at?
Who said we drove here?
So you walk from Highway 1 or the 101?
Well, I didn't drive here.
So, but you walk then.
Okay, if that's what you want to say.
Do you have a California driver's license? I'm not trying to be argumentative.
No, either way.
You guys are...
We're on a public road.
I understand you're on a public road.
Yeah, anything we can see in a public road, we can videotape.
I don't want to be videotaped.
But you're in public, so you don't have that discretion.
Yes, but I'm still... We are on duty right now.
Sure,
you guys are videotaping from afar.
Right.
And I'm just asking you guys questions.
Sure, and you're entitled to ask us anything you want.
The same way you guys are entitled also.
Not to answer.
But I don't know if you guys are zooming in. We can also have people that come here who drop off things for the inmates. So it's security purposes.
Sure, I understand, but we have a perfect legally constitutional protected activity to do what we're doing. And when I asked you what law is it, you can't state a law.
I will.
It's your policy.
It's our policy.
And policy doesn't trump the law, ma'am.
I still would ask you guys to please not take video of the inmates close up because what we have here is a state prison setting. For their security purposes and ours, we do need to know what you guys might be videotaping because it could either be an escape
anything we can see from a public roadway, we're filming.
Okay, but I'm asking you, I don't know what you guys, the content of the film is.
Well, you don't need to know.
We do because it's security purposes, sir.
Sure. Well,
but you're security inside there. You're not security out here.
It's a prison facility.
Right. We understand that.
So you guys could be dropping off things for the inmates.
Well, we could be,
don't know
and I could be taller too. There's a lot of could-be's.
That you could be taller too. Yeah, but we don't know that.
I'm being facetious.
You are being facetious.
You're saying that you could be. There's no fact.
But but I don't know if later on in the day you guys might come back. You guys could escape.
Well, we might.
You guys
come back.
Plan escape.
What's that? Plan escape?
We don't know that.
Right,
sir.
right.
We don't know that.
Right. Well,
so
I can tell you, I'm on a public roadway here. This is an easement right here. I'm not on your property. And this is a protected legal activity. So if you want to call the police, be more than happy to call the police. And when they come, they're going to tell you exactly. We do this all the time.
I understand.
I don't know if you understand.
A lot of people try
Did
to
you want me to
engage
finish, or did you just want to interrupt me? I let you speak.
Go ahead, speak, sir.
I'm saying if you'd like to call the police, they'll come out and then they'll educate you that what we're doing is perfectly legal.
I understand that because I do see people
Right.
who come and try to engage officials.
Right.
And you know,
well,
what you guys are doing.
We're just doing a news story on where our public funds go.
Okay. So
and,
is this with the state or is this federal? Or
well,
what
this is a state prison.
This is a state prison, correct?
Right.
But you guys, who are you with?
We're with ourselves. We're just independent journalists doing a story. Yeah, we don't have any ill intent or bad intentions or anything like that. We're just out filming.
No, I'm not saying you guys are.
Well, you're saying there could be.
Exactly.
Right.
And that's why we have to
well,
come
we
up
don't,
here and investigate.
You can say you could be, and I'm telling you that we don't. So, you know.
Well, thank you for
we're having a cordial conversation now. If you want to elevate it, you can do what.
There's no elevation. I'm just asking you guys questions.
Right.
That's it.
But I'm suggesting because we're not going to. Right. But what I'm saying is, when you leave, we're not going to stop filming.
Okay. That's what you go to do.
You have a great day.
Have a good day.
You stay safe.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready.
What are you guys filming here? Hello. What are you filming? You're filming me right now.
Well, you walked up to me.
Yeah, so
I wasn't even filming you.
I know, but I'm asking. You're now currently filming me.
Well, walk away.
No, I'm asking, what are you guys filming for?
That's our business.
It's your business?
Yeah, I'm on a public sidewalk. I don't share my business.
But you're filming our building.
Right, is that illegal?
It is.
It is? What law is that?
It's my law.
Oh, your law?
Yeah.
Okay, well, my law says that you're full of shit.